Privacy coins are absolutely sending right now. You guys can see right here in my Zen Horizon USDT position, I'm up $29,000, up 113. If you guys want to get access to all my signals, make sure you guys sign up with BYDFi. The link's in the description below and join the Discord right now. Everything is free. And if you guys do sign up with BYDFi, I will upgrade you to the highest tier of VIP level. Now, why are these coins essentially pumping? If we have a look right here on TradingView, why do we have Horizon pumping? Why do we have Zen pumping? Why do we have Zcash pumping? Why do we have Dash pumping? These three right here are all privacy coins for those of you guys who don't know this. Now, why are they pumping exactly? Yes, they're private, obviously, but the big reason why is because people are finally understanding that the real definition of crypto, the real meaning of crypto is to be private, hidden, and secretive, okay? Bitcoin, the whole purpose of being, when Bitcoin was created, it was to be private, to hide your identity, to be, kind of to be like not to do money laundering and to be like suspicious or anything like that, but to not to keep your privacy, to keep your identity private. And with AI happening and all these tools happening, it is very, very hard to be private in today's society, in today's world. So we have all these tokens such as Dash exploding. First of all, if you guys have not been following me on my YouTube channel, I made a video about Dash last week, and I made a video about Zcash 2 weeks ago when it was at $296, currently up 100% from here. If you were to do it on leverage, you would have been cooking. Now, Horizon right now could be the next big thing with the market cap of $376 million. The volume is absolutely skyrocketing, almost $400 million. If we have a look at Zcash, Zcash is also market cap $10 billion, and you can see the 24-hour traded volume sitting at $2 billion. We have a look at Dash, 1.5 billion, and the 24-hour traded volume sitting at 1.2 billion. Now, imagine what happens to Horizon, another privacy coin, right? Which could be both. It could be either transparent or private, which I think could be very, very big in the future. Could actually explode. 376 million. This will for sure be another $1 billion cryptocurrency in the near future very, very soon. Now, if you guys don't remember, I made a video on Dash when Dash was in this massive, massive triangle right here. I told you guys that Dash was going to explode. Go back and check my video. I said that Dash was going to be and was going to follow Zcash. And since then, Dash absolutely exploded 142%. Now remember, this is without leverage. If you were to do it with leverage, let's say 3x, you would have been up over 500% on that position. If we have a look at Zcash right here, Zcash keeps on pumping, okay? A lot of people are like, oh, it's looking weak, it's time to short. But when the charts look like this, it's only going to go parabolic. If we have a look right here at Zcash, Zcash is making all-time highs, of course, when we're talking about the Binance chart. And this thing is only going to go up. In my opinion, we're most likely going to see $1,000 very, very soon. And imagine when we do reach $1,000, imagine what's going to happen with Horizon. Our position is most likely going to explode and be $100,000 in profit because we are on 10x leverage. That means that every 1% that Horizon goes up or Zen goes up, we're making 10%. So that's what's happening right now with Zcash. If we have a look right here at Horizon, you are still very, very early, and I'll tell you guys why. This could 2x very, very fast. First of all, we are and kept getting rejected. We have been consolidating. Horizon pumped at the end of October all the way from $12 to as high as $24, which makes it a 2x. Ever since then, Horizon has been consolidating. We're looking at a literally 7-day consolidation level right here. Now, you could also do this and, say, oh, this is also in a triangular pattern right here. You could do something like that maybe where we did break out. Everyone has their own TA, but if this is the pattern, if this is the breakout, then we are seeing a successful retest right here, and we should see the climb starting happening, and we should see $30 have 50% increase by Monday. Now, remember, guys, if you are on 3x leverage or even 10x leverage, this is massive, massive, massive gains. Now, obviously, should you do 10x like me? Should you do 3x? These tokens don't necessarily need leverage, of course. I did not do leverage on Zcash. I did not do leverage on Dash. But of course, you guys do you, and you guys do whatever you guys think is right. But if you guys do want to essentially trade with leverage, make sure you guys sign up with BYDFi. Links in the description below. You get a $5,000 bonus. Now, let's have a look right here at Dash. Dash is another cryptocurrency. We had a breakout right here. Now we're seeing another breakout. In my opinion, we will see a massive, massive rally above $150 on Dash very, very soon. And we're most likely going to see that exploding. But if you guys are looking for something that could bring 2 to 3x and hit $1.5 billion in the next week. Yes, I'm talking next week and next 6-7 days. I would probably suggest to do and pick Horizon. Now, Horizon recently did move to on-chain privacy. They did move to base recently, but that does not mean they're not private. They could actually be both. They could be transparent and they could be private, which is actually pretty good for institutions, for retail, etc. So this is the coin to essentially pick. Now, guys, Bitcoin is still looking bad. Bitcoin is sitting at $101,000. Okay, imagine what happens when Bitcoin does reach 110, 120, $130,000. I mean, we will most likely see Zen Horizon and Dash, Zen, and pretty much Gcash absolutely exploding to the moon. So I would not wait. I would not wait any longer right here to essentially buy these tokens. Zcash might be a little bit late. I'm not gonna lie. Dash, you're still slightly early. But if you're looking something that's really early, I would probably say it's a ZEN Horizon right here. This thing is going to be massive. That is my quick video, guys. Make sure you guys check this out right here on top. You could essentially join my Discord signals for free. Make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. And you could also pretty much start trading with me if you guys are interested. And pretty much that's about it. I will catch you guys in my next video. And if you guys do want $5,000 in rewards or bonus or sorry, $1,000 bonus, if you deposit $5,000 with BYDFi, make sure you guys sign up now. It does end very soon. Peace out, fam.